Hey guys, this is just a test live stream because I'm just testing out some new software that is supposed to be able to make it so I can broadcast to both Twitch and YouTube at the same time, so I'm just giving it a test run. But I figured I would, might as well give you a bit of a funny while I'm doing it. Now, about a year or two ago, I bought a pair of microphones, you know, $20 from Wish. They actually sound pretty good. Here's a picture of them. They don't sound too bad, and because they're VHF and nothing uses VHF anymore, they actually don't get all that much interference. So I'm actually quite pleased with the quality, but it's not a review on them. What this is going to be is just me attempting to read the manual that came with them. Be prepared for your brain to melt. Now, it all seems to be okay over here. Thank you for purchasing our product. Manual contains important instructions for setting up and operating your equipment. You know, fair enough. So let's actually start reading the main characteristic page. Uses the 170 to 880 megahertz segment. Avoid the interference frequency. The high and intelligent degree of profession. Usage receives the electric circuit and block up to receive the dead center. Equipment can connect the 19-inch standard the standard machine. The accessories connect the one side. Adopts many classes narrow. Take the high and inside choose the wave. Sent the cancellation, the interference signal. Is this making any sense to you? Because it certainly makes none to me. Adoption specifically presses to restrict electricity. The ROS need not anxious about volumes big, but lose really. Adopts the piece of low dollar. Battery service life, the special features. Holds the invisible antenna. Beauty of microphone practical. Holds the microphone to have the low electric voltage, the to instruction, the electric circuits, and hint to replace the battery. Oh, God. Establishes to hold the microphone switch, the to pound at the wave to dissolve the electric circuit. The quartz of all adoptions flap the electric circuit and have the function of alpine frequency stability. Adopts the to compress, the to expand the technique, and noise reduce dynamic scope enlargement. Establishes to have back to lose the to call press low die down the function and can validate to let up back to lose the to cal special noise. I'm fucking crying here, man. This is so bad. Function brush off exterior, the interference open, the shabby system of this machine. I'll tell you right now, the manual's pretty shabby. Make selections very good chip and high quality zero parts. Make this machine the quality extremely outstanding. Well, the manual's quality is not the extremely outstanding. It has the Independence S exportation to output with demixture and can connect Connet the modulation set with karaoke enlarger. It has the real equilibrium exportation and can use the conjunction line of the long pull, but can produce in the open and spacious and biggest wave. and biggest usage. It's so bad that I'm actually starting to say the wrong words. Distance 150 meter, open and spacious, ideal usage distance 100 meter. Be applicable to the size, stage, song and dance hall conventional centre, the church lecture family amusement. What? But you can tell this first page, they must have just borrowed this from something else, because everything on this side is pretty much easy to understand. Alright, what's on the next operating and guidance of Link? Outside place the power supply plug inserts to provide the socket. Attention, electric voltage if exactitude. Output the power supply plug and this machine to connect the top. Turn power on the switch. Power supply to instruction light to immediately order bright. Pull up the antenna A with the antenna B. Make it with the machine 90 degrees cape. Such as before needing to be used, place the antenna and please use the accessories of the My Plant the conjunction then. This receive the machines the exportation can provide 6.35 unbalance exportation. What? If this is the operating instructions, what? Hold the microphone to open the machine Empress and receive the machine RF the signal beacon, namely can order bright. If have the to be close to the exportation, the AF to instruction, the light, the point is bright. Receive the machine's exportation words, the volume, can from the volume control knob adjustment, the volume output, the size, then towards biggest voice of the microphone to sing a song to receive the machine, the PEK, on the front panel, the light, just bright for the best appearance. Please stir the next power supply plug if the long term don't use. Stir? What, like stirring a drink with a spoon? I think they mean store. Yeah, this is absolutely shocking. I have no idea what they were thinking when they came up with this instruction manual. The receiver place must larger than 1 meter distance the ground and the wall. The antenna must perpendicular ground, otherwise it will affect to receiver the result. When use the receiver, it must avoid to place the dead angle and keep the signal to receive the condition is good. When use, hold the microphone, please don't throw and fall off in order to prevent result into damage seriously. Please don't put the new and the old battery used together by the microphone. Please don't dismantle to unload by oneself. The inside high pressure may harm your bodily. Harm your bodily? What high pressure? What? Yeah, needless to say, that instruction manual is the worst thing I've ever seen. I hope that you found it just as confusing as I did. And that's pretty much the end of my test stream. I hope you all had fun and things. Also, only complete tools need to beg for subscribers.